Number 2, we are going to determine the characteristics of this quadratic function. Let's take a look at the domain. The domain looks like there's arrows on both sides. It goes all the way from negative infinity all the way to positive infinity. The range is defined by the y value, so it looks like it goes all the way from infinity, and it looks like it stops right here. I think this is by 2's, 2, 4, so this looks like it's a 5 right here. So it looks like it stops at 5, right, and goes all the way up to positive infinity. The x-intercept, they does not cross the x-intercept, so we can put none here. And then the y-intercept looks like it's at this point, so this is 4, this is 6, this is 8, and this is 10. Looks like it stops it at 9, so 0, 9. The line of symmetry is the line that cuts it down that middle. This looks like it's at 2, so x is equal to -2 would be the line of symmetry. On the line of symmetry exists the vertex. It is at this point. That looks like it is -2, comma the 5, and it is a point. This is the lowest point, so we call this the minimum. So it goes from negative infinity all the way to this line of symmetry, which is -2. Looks like it is decreasing from this left side. Then from -2 all the way to positive infinity, it looks like it is going back up by increasing. So we can put it in the interval. Decreasing was from negative infinity all the way to 2. And then increasing was from -2 all the way to infinity. Here it looks like it is going up both arrows, so that is when y goes to positive infinity.